Hey guys, Disney Toys Fan Club here with Shopkins Vending Machine Storage 10. First we are going to open the vending machine. This storage tin is so awesome. Look at this. It is so colorful. I love the pink color. Let's open it. It comes with 2 exclusive Shopkins. These 2 super cute Shopkins are Cheesy and Alpha Soup. Look at that, they're so cute. We are so cute, we are so cute. We also got a Shopkins checklist. So let's keep our little Shopkins in our vending machine. This vending machine is a collector's storage tin. This is Holly and Ben. Are you ready for shopping? Yes, please! Well guys, thanks for watching my videos. Stay tuned for a lot more from Shopkins right here on Disney Toys Fan Club.